I'm Eric Mattei from MatteiRealty.ca. We're in Etobicoke at 38 Fontenay Court. It's the Fountains of EDENBRIDGE. It's a fantastic building, and we've got a very special corner unit to show you today. When you enter 38 Fontenay Court, you'll note right away that you step into luxury. The hallways are gorgeous, the building's manicured, everything is up to date, and this is your hallway as you enter towards your home. Welcome to 38 Fontenay Court, number 804 here in Etobicoke. What a beautiful unit we have for you to view today. It's a corner unit and it's exceptional layout. That all begins at the entrance. There's an actual foyer where you can greet your guests. They don't walk right into your kitchen. It's got plenty of storage in that foyer, including a laundry closet. There's a den, 2 full bedrooms, a full-size kitchen with an eat-in area, and a fantastic living dining room space. All this with a balcony that has 2 entrances. What more could you want? It left me breathless. It'll leave you the same. So please come take this tour with us. When you buy a condo, instead of having a large backyard in a home, one of the best things you can look for is an incredible view. Treetop views all the way to the CN Tower from the stunning corner unit. And corner units are a premium unto themselves because they have wraparound windows that allow tons of natural light. If you love to entertain, this is for you. Living room, dining room has crown molding, a southern view with floor-to-ceiling windows for miles, and it's bathed in light. In addition to that, the living room, dining room has a walkout to the oversized balcony. It's a family-sized kitchen that has an absolutely massive picture window that overlooks the Humber River. Not only that, a full-size breakfast area that fits 4 people with its own walkout to a beautiful balcony with its own incredible view. The spacious and luxurious amenities of this unit continue in the primary suite as well. Floor-to-ceiling windows, again overlooking the Humber River, his and hers mirrored closets, and a gorgeous ensuite with a bathtub. If you like to have company, or maybe you have extra family living with you, what a perfect second bedroom this is for them. Walk-in closet, and the 3-piece bathroom with shower is right outside the door. So it's almost like having 2 primary suites in this unit. Not to mention there's a massive window with the skyline view of the city over treetops. Perfect second bedroom. Views all around, even from this exceptional balcony. There's the CN Tower over a golf course, and the Humber River meanders right next to this unit, including on the north view. What a gorgeous place to have your morning coffee. All that's left for you to do now is to email me at info@MatteiRealty.ca or call me at 416-557-7653. It's 416-557-SOLD to book your appointment to view this incredible space today. I'm Eric Mattei from MatteiRealty.ca. Have a great day.